Sir, pakipaluwag na. Lalo na po ang invite niya ba? I-invite po ako sa standby ah. Galing doon, sumik. So, game ka sa Batang Quiapo?
Game na game.
Wow! Anong gusto mo
Once again,
mag-enroll sa Batang
congratulations,
Quiapo?
Carlos Yulo! Mabuhay ang atleta Pilipino!
Okay, para po. Thank you. Para na po, para move na po, move. Pasensya na po, pasensya na po.
Congratulations, Carlos Yulo. You make us all proud. Thank you for bringing home 2 golds for the Philippines.
Ang galing nyo po sa lahat po ng magiging atleta para kagaya niya. Gayahin nyo po siya. Sana po supportahan po lahat ng atleta. Congratulations, Kaloy. Sana maging maraming pang atleta na katulad mo na maging success. Congratulations.
Salamat po kami kay Carlos Yulo. Dahil po sa kanya, nakauwi po siya sa Pilipinas sa 2 ginto.
Idol na idol kita, Carlos Yulo. Gusto ko rin maging katulad mo. Gusto ko tumabli.
Congratulations, Carlos Yulo. Naging inspired po ako para po mag-volleyball kasi sa kagaya nyo, naging athletic na napagtagumpayan po ang gintong medalya.
Congratulations, Carlos Yulo.
Astig ka! Astig ka, Kaloy!
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 Talaga namang astig ka, Kaloy! Ibang klase, no, kita mo naman, pati mga bata, nai-inspire na rin sa journey mo towards this success of yours. From the floor to the vault, we witnessed him soar his way to gold, and of course his name will forever be etched in history. And now, the moment we have all been waiting for, we would like to hear a few words. Of course, from our Olympic champion, please welcome 2-time Olympic gold medalist in gymnastics, men's floor exercise, and men's vault. Ladies and gentlemen, the man of the hour, our golden boy, Carlos Adriel Yulo.
Magandang buhay po sa ating lahat. Una-una po gusto ko magpasalamat kay Lord. Grabe po yung blessings na natatanggap ko. Umaapaw po talaga. Kay Ma'am Cynthia, na nandito palagi sa tabi ko. Sinusuportan. Hanggang dito, sinasamahan ako sa mga gantong espesyal na events sa buhay ko. Maraming salamat po. Siyempre, DG Plus and Arena Plus. Grabe, di pa nakakapag-Olympics talaga. Tinanggap niyo po ako at sinuportahan. Kaya lubos po ako nagpapasalamat sa inyo. Grabe, na-overwhelm po talaga ako sa support na binigay niyo. Sa welcome party na binigay niyo sa akin, and bago umalis sa amin dalawa ni Kuya Yumir, sobrang grateful po talaga ako na nakalinya po ako sa ganitong team po. Maraming salamat, Miss Dio. Maraming salamat po talaga. Thank you so much po. Really grateful and blessed po na na-experience ko po yung mga ganitong bagay. Legit na DG Plus, Arena Plus, astig kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po. God bless us all po, and mag-iingat po tayong lahat. Salamat po. Salamat po.
Thank you sa'yo, Carlos. Talaga nga namang nakita natin, no, kung ano ang itsura ng pusong Pinoy, palaban at hindi sumusuko. Siyempre, nandyan din sa likod ng ating atleta, ang ating Olympian, ang Digi Plus and Arena Plus, handang sumuporta and handang tumulong every step of the way. You know, we know that your story will inspire countless other gymnasts and of course, athletes all over the country. Kaya talagang astig ka at saludo kaming lahat sa iyo. Ngayon naman mga kaibigan, we have some special news for everybody. Dahil proud na proud ang Arena Plus kay Kaloy. Again, this is the official renewal of Carlos's contract as Arena Plus's brand ambassador. Congratulations! We are so proud to celebrate this continued partnership and of course look forward to even greater achievements together. O eto pa, Meron pa tayong another special announcement. Get this, everybody. In celebration of this partnership, your DigiPlus family also pledges commitment to fostering the next generation of Olympic hopefuls by launching Arena Plus Cares. Now, ano ba yung Arena Plus Cares? Arena Plus Cares is an initiative dedicated to supporting future aspiring Olympians, just like Carlos, and pursuing their Olympic dreams. So sa mga nandito na may balak na rin simulan ang kanilang Olympic journey, know that there is Arena Plus, na may Arena Plus na nandiyan handang sumuporta sa journey natin sa Olympics. So we are also proud to say na si Carlos will personally select the beneficiaries of this initiative. So Carlos, nasa iyo ang karangalan na pumili kung sino yung mga gusto mong maging parte nitong beneficiary and initiative na ito. Now, DigiPlus, of course, believes in the insight ni Carlos and believes that he will be helpful in identifying individuals and empowering the next generation of athletes who will carry the torch forward and grace the Olympic stage in the future. All right, quick photo op with everybody on stage. Of course, para ma-commemorate din natin itong special moment na to, this is the renewal ng kontrata ni Carlos with Arena Plus as their brand ambassador. Yan talaga ang Arena Plus. Malaman mo na merong sumusuporta sa journey mo truly is a huge deal and will make the biggest impact. So ladies and gentlemen, pahingin naman ang palakpakan. Big round of applause for Arena Plus, DigiPlus, and of course, Carlos Adriel Yulo. Videos, gamitin natin ang mga hashtags natin, mga kaibigan. These are hashtag #AProudOfYulo, hashtag Azteca Carlos, hashtag AppearCarlos, hashtag Life at DigiPlus, hashtag DigiPlus, and hashtag Multiply the Fun. Grabe naman talagang nakaka-starstruck seeing our very own Golden Boy, the first time in history that this has ever happened. So ibang klaseng karangalan, ibang klaseng pride ang nadala sa Pilipinas ng atletang Pilipino. Maraming salamat. Alright. Again, thank you so much to Arena Plus and DigiPlus. And Carlos, please stay on stage for the next part of our program. We would also like to request Ms. Cynthia Carrion to please stay on stage as we are going to be preparing for the next part of the session. Mga kaibigan, in celebration of this partnership, syempre, kabilang din kayo, mga kaibigan natin sa media, dito sa part, our double Olympic champion, and of course, freshly re-signed Arena Plus brand ambassador, Carlos Yulo, is ready to personalize a piece of his historic victory with all of you. Carlos will be signing merchandise, creating lasting remembrance for this remarkable achievement of his. So meron po tayong merchandise na iaabot kay Carlos, ipirmahan niya po, and we will share this with some of you guys who are here today as a thank you as well for being here and being part of this momentous celebration. Alright, so for those of you guys who are here, talaga namang siniswerte kayo, we are going to be handing out some merchandise. So i-ready lang natin. Be sure to capture these moments using our official hashtags, yung photos, the videos. Of course, maraming salamat. Ms. Cynthia, grabe talaga namang napakalaki ng parte ninyo sa success na ito. Ma'am, please stay lang po tayo just as Carlos will be signing the merchandise. Treat na rin ito for the guests who are here today. At syempre, maraming salamat to DigiPlus and Arena Plus for supporting our golden hero, Carlos Adriel Yulo. Alam niyo, grabe, it is truly a fantastic opportunity to capture a piece of Carlos's legacy as well as a piece of its journey, and also to share it with everybody. It's a huge deal na masabi mo na meron kang napirmahan ng isang double Olympic gold medalist. Uy, ang gaganda, may pa-tumblers. Grabe, no? Talagang may inspire ka. If you are also one of the aspiring athletes who want to pursue an Olympic career, this might just fuel salamat din to all of our friends from the media. Napakalaking bagay din ng inyong parte sa journey ng ating golden boy, Carlos Yulo. Thank you so much. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we bring our tribute press conference for our golden boy, Carlos Yulo, to a close.
Sa gymnast, basketball player.
The Paris Olympics, we have seen our athletes' hard work and determination to succeed in spite of all the challenges that they have faced. Kitang-kita natin ang dedikasyon, determinasyon, at talaga namang perseverance of all the athletes who represented the country and waved and raised our flags high. Now, Carlos here shines as an example of that unyielding determination to succeed. Kaya naman, Carlos, your DigiPlus and Arena Plus family is incredibly proud to witness your growth into the incredible athlete that you are today. You truly are a champion. And nandito, maraming salamat din to all of our friends from the media. Napakalaking bagay din ng inyong parte sa journey ng ating golden boy, Carlos Yulo. Thank you so much. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we bring our tribute press conference for our golden boy, Carlos Yulo, to a close.
Sa gymnast, basketball player.